Hey plant lovers! Did you know that root rot is one of the top reasons for plant death? It's a startling statistic, but it's true. Every year, countless plants fall victim to this sneaky condition, and today, we're diving into how to stop root rot in its tracks and keep our plants alive and thriving. Alright, let's get into it. Root rot is a serious issue that can severely impact your plant's health. It happens when the roots of your plants sit in overly wet soil, leading to a lack of oxygen, which causes the roots to decay. This decay can spread quickly, affecting the entire plant and often resulting in death. So, understanding root rot and how to prevent it is crucial for any plant parent who wants to maintain a healthy green space. So, what exactly is root rot? In simple terms, it's a fungal disease that develops when the soil is too wet for too long. Overwatering is usually the main culprit, but poor drainage in certain types of soil can also contribute to the problem. When waterlogged, the roots can't get the oxygen they need, and that's when the fungi start to take over. This can be a significant challenge for plant owners because root rot can sneak up on you, often showing no signs until it's too late. Let's talk about the common causes of root rot. Overwatering is the biggest one, but it doesn't stop there. Poor drainage in your pots can trap water, creating a perfect breeding ground for root rot. Also, if you're using heavy soils that don't drain well, you're setting your plants up for failure. So, it's essential to be mindful of how much water you're giving your plants and the type of soil you're using. Now, what are the signs of root rot? Look out for yellowing leaves, wilting, and stunted growth. If you pull a plant out of its pot and see black, mushy roots, that's a big red flag. Now, here's the good part. There are actionable solutions to stop root rot in its tracks. First up, let's talk about watering techniques. Make sure you're not watering on a strict schedule. Instead, check if the top inch of soil is dry before giving it a drink. Next, using a well-draining soil mix can make a world of difference. Think about adding perlite or sand to improve drainage. And don't forget about the pot. Ensure it has drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. Lastly, keep an eye out for recovery signs. If your plant starts to perk up after adjusting your care routine, you're on the right track. Let's wrap this up. Today, we covered what root rot is, how it develops, and the common causes behind it. Remember, acting quickly is key in preventing and treating root rot so your plants can stay healthy and happy. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Have you ever dealt with root rot? What worked for you? Drop your experiences or questions in the comments below. And if you're looking for more plant care tips, check out my other videos. Let's keep those